Give us.
Tura. Give us your passport. Tura. It's too bad one.
Really? Subhanallah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry on his behalf. Okay.
It's not the chest.
Dar kujo zindagi mein karo.
Dar Kabul.
Kandahar.
You know about Kandahar?
Dar Sweden.
In Church Street, you have this nice jewelry. And more jewelry. And more cards. Right? And more cards. Happy with you.
10% off करने के बाद 1035
Online payment.
Hi sir.
How are you, brother?
How are you doing?
I'm good. What is the difference between this one and this?
Yeah.
Zabib?
This seeds are there. This seedless.
Oh, with seeds?
Yeah,
Seedless?
with seeds, yeah.
Okay.
This we are calling munaka. Abjush.
Huh?
Munaka.
Munaka?
Yeah.
Nice.
Kishmish.
Kishmish.
Seedless black kishmish.
Black kishmish.
Pine nuts. Kaju.
Nice. Cashew nuts.
Yeah.
And dates. Nice. And this one is?
This is walnut.
Huh?
Walnut.
Walnut. Okay. What essential oil is this?
Almond.
Almond oil, pure.
Yeah.
Virgin almond oil.
100%.
Yeah, pure.
How much is it?
This is
500.
500.
Huh?
500.
500. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get it. These are berries?
This is strawberries. This is pure 100%.
You can use it for hair, for
Yeah,
massage,
yeah.
for...
So here we have a pure virgin almond oil from this. This is
Yeah,
almond,
this
right?
is from Afghanis. This oil is
Afghani.
from Afghani.
Nice. We say 500?
Yes.
No negotiations?
No, we already put discounts on.
You guys from Afghanistan?
Yes.
Really? We would like to come to Afghanistan. Can you give us
Sure.
to Kabul?
Yeah, come bro.
Yeah, you should give us.
Tura.
Give us your passport.
Tura. It's too bad one.
Really? Subhanallah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry on his behalf. Okay.
It's not the chest.
Dar kujo zindagi mein karo.
Dar Kabul.
Dar Kabul.
Kandahar. You know about Kandahar?
Dar Sweden.
Sweden. Your name?
Dar Stockholm. Mohammed.
Muhammad.
My brother is living in Sweden.
In Sweden, yeah, in Stockholm.
I don't know, but in capital.
In Stockholm.
Stockholm. From Khorasan.
All this is from Afghanistan.
Amazing.
Yeah, most
Mostly from Afghanistan.
So you guys you speak
Only
Indian
this
as
is
well?
from Turkish.
Yeah.
This
You
two
said
is from
you said what is?
pecan nuts.
Many language.
This is nuts. It's not dry.
Oh, these things. It's amazing.
You guys speak
I think-
7 language.
It's having natural.
Arabic شوي معلوم.
Um,
اللغة العربية.
with Urdu,
Urdu I know, yeah.
Kannada,
Kannada I know.
mashallah. Hindi also.
This one how much?
Hindi I only know two
His
words.
name is pecan nuts. Sir. This
Bye
is,
bye.
250, 400.
And
This is 2,500 per kilo.
how much is this?
This is 2,200 per kilo.
Per kilo.
220.
Can you make it
Quota.
can you make it quarter or half? Because it's too big, yani.
It's all organic only. Here you can find Indian from other countries, but Afghani, it's the natural, organic.
So this is Afghani.
Pure Afghani, yeah.
Pure Afghani.
Shall I make it 250 grams?
Yeah, 250 grams. I like this, man. I like it. I've never eaten something sweeter like
No,
this.
this is the best quality. From
I've never eaten this, man. You said its name is
walnut.
This
Walnut.
600 also kg.
MashaAllah.
In India, it's called akhroot.
Like
Aho.
eating some.
We are coming to Afghanistan, in Kabul, inshallah, to test this. It's very sweet. Brother, why is the taste different?
Which one?
The taste is different.
The oil.
Yeah, I can see. Why is it tasting different again?
No, it wasn't this
There's
one.
two.
This one, I want this one.
Ah, you want this one?
This is the one I tested.
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
This
First
one
I
is?
Yeah.
Is the same?
No, it's different.
It's different. It's different.
This
it's
is
different.
this is walnut. This is pecan nuts. This
Try,
is
pecan nuts.
try from everything.
Shall I give this one that you taste?
This one is how much?
2,500.
And this one.
Give me a quarter of this one. No, this one also I'm taking.
Yeah.
It's good also
Can I test this one?
Yeah.
because of this.
Whatever the items from Afghanistan, these two from.
Amazing.
This one is hard. So
Amazing.
No, it's so easy. That's the idea.
Okay, if I go home.
Key only. By any key,
We don't
by
have that
anything
one.
You can open it. Yeah. You want 1 kg, we'll give key also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the one that I was testing.
By any key you can
It's
open
called
it.
what?
So easy. Yeah.
The name?
This pecan nuts.
Pecan nuts. You know, it is salty. Salty.
A bit
salty.
Roasted.
It's roasted.
When, yeah. When it's got roast, then the taste is came from its shell.
Yeah, it's amazing. You know,
It's natural.
you feel it behind
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so helpful also.
Which way? Guess again.
Robo.
Another one. This is dried dates.
No, this one is apricots, dry apricot, natural dry
Apricot,
apricot.
yeah.
Yes. Once we have like this,
Yeah.
without seeds, or this one is with seeds.
I've taken this one many
This one
times
is
from
with
Saudi.
Try this also. It's so good. Dry one.
Yeah.
This try. It smells so different.
Let me try it again.
Try. This you cannot eat. Usually this from Bangalore it's not available. The same Afghani.
It's tough to bite, but it still you'll feel the taste.
How much total?
I assume that is mango.
Try this again.
Yeah, this one is dry.
No, don't give me that. Thank you.
Saffron.
This is dried mango.
You have tea also if you want to try tea.
This is tea, saffron tea.
Saffron tea, try.
Afghani saffron tea. Brother, this guy is selling Afghan too much. I think I should be in the next flight to Afghanistan, in Kabul. Saffron? And what is this?
Okay.
This is blueberries.
Blueberry. Blueberry?
And raspberry, where is it?
Raspberry we don't have right now. We have strawberry. We have.
But you know this is
strawberry,
black, you know?
berry.
This is black.
Yeah, it's black.
How is it blue?
Blue. No,
How is it
when
blue?
it's
It's
got dry,
black?
then it will become black. Like the fresh is like blue.
Yeah, when it's fresh, it's blue.
Yeah. When it's got
Mhm.
dry, then it will be black.
This guy knows what he's selling. Brother, how are you? Nice quality clothes. This nice fabric, brother. This is cotton?
Cotton.
100% cotton?
100%.
I like the pattern. Can you hold it like this? I see it.
This.
My brother, this is amazing. This is a nice Hindi,
Hindi.
Bangladeshi, and Nepali.
Nepali.
Which one? Hindi.
Kashmir. Indian.
Kashmiri.
I am Kashmir.
You are Kashmiri.
You are Kashmiri.
Mashallah.
You are Indian.
Indian.
Assalam.
Hindi. Wa alaikum
Salam.
salam.
Wa
Wa alaikum salam. Mashallah. Mashallah, brother. This is
You
good.
from?
Kenya.
We are from Kenya.
Kenya. Wow.
We are representing Africa. You're representing Asia, okay? Bro, this is nice. How much is it?
350.
350. Why too expensive?
No, excel.
That is a tourist price.
No, same price. All.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I heard you tell that lady it was 250.
Same. All guys.
Can I see this one?
This one. Syllabus.
It's called what? How you call this one?
Same price.
It's called what? The name?
Name.
Name of this one?
ये कलमकारी hand printed.
Hand printed.
Handloom.
I like this one.
कलमकारी.
This one is nice.
तुमको
It's
इंग्लिश आता
handloom.
नहीं है.
Handloom.
Even this one is nice.
This is long.
Even this one. Can you hold it? I see.
These all are ladies.
All these are ladies. Yeah, you know we have a lot of
Just
sisters.
ladies. Only ladies.
Why you don't sell gents?
No gents.
You should let ladies sell ladies things.
Gents, all.
I know there's a marketing strategy here. So this is a handprint.
Yes.
And
And this one? Is it large? Like what is the size of this one?
size.
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 What is the size? Is it large? Big?
M.
M. I need L.
L.
I need L this print.
Facebook, Instagram.
Oh yeah, YouTube. I need large this print.
Which name?
Let me give you.